Good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Slowbrz. Today it is cooking with Slowbrz. We're going to be making a dish for a recipe that I found off TikTok, which is corn cheese. It's like the easiest, the simplest dish anybody can ever make. But I wanted to go ahead and make it on camera for you guys. First things first, I gotta go run to Slowbrz and get mayo. Got my butter and mayo. Alrighty, so for this recipe, all you need is some mayo, some butter, some salt, pepper, and sugar as well. And the most important ingredient, the cheese. So for the cheese that we're using today, it's the Mexican style 4-cheese blend. It comes with all these cheeses, and it's gonna taste really good. The easy steps first, you want to get a mixing bowl just like this, the one I have in my hand currently. You want to put in all the corn, the sweet corn. I put in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons worth of mayo. Next, you want to add in some pepper. Make sure it's plenty of pepper. Next, a little bit of salt and a spoonful of sugar. Next, grab a spoon of your choice. I have the big boy spoon because I'm a big boy. Kind of just like mix it in. Other ingredients you can add to this recipe, you can actually add in onions, bell peppers, or even jalapenos, but because I don't have any of those, we're just sticking to plain old corn cheese. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm gonna add in some truffle zest into it. The truffle is just to give it that extra French European flavor. Next, get yourself a nice pot pan. I don't know what to call it, but there's a pot and a pan mixed together. Next, add in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a dab. Make sure to set on high heat. Since it's a lot of corn, I'm gonna add in enough cheese just to get the top covered. Last step, you want to keep the lid on and bring the fire down to a medium to low. Just let it sit for about maybe 10 minutes or so. Once your 10 minutes is up, open up the lid, and this is what it should look like. There we go, corn cheese. That's the corn cheese recipe that I found off of TikTok. It literally is just 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, depending on how much sweet corn you have, 1 to 2 spoons of mayo, 1 to 2 spoons of sugar, as well as salt, pepper, and if you want to add in truffle zest, you can. If you want to add in chopped onions or red or green bell peppers, you can. You can add in just about anything to make this dish 100 times better, but because I don't have any more other ingredients, we're sticking to what we just got, plain old corn cheese. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of content, and I'll see you in the next one.